Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway. Today we'll be previewing this beautiful second series 1955 Chevrolet 3100. I think you can probably already tell this is an exceptional build. Everything, and I say everything, I mean everything, has either been touched, replaced, or renovated less than 500 miles. This truck is well sorted and absolutely drop dead gorgeous, stunning restoration. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and love, see exactly what she has to offer, so you can decide whether this should be the next truck in your garage. Big back window, very desirable. You probably already see some street rod elements. You see vintage air hanging below the dash. AM, FM, Bluetooth. 3-speed automatic with a low car shifter there on the floor. Again, we'll keep going. We'll go underneath here in a minute, but what a lovely. Every piece of chrome stainless has been replaced. You can see factory spot welds up here. Big back window. No expense spared. This was the last wish of a father and son project together. Wanted to capture the youth of the father. He learned to drive in one of these, as many of us probably have, but also liked V8 power, automatic transmission. You can see how neatly and tidy everything's been wired from the relays. Every piece. The undercarriage is just as beautiful as the top side. Less than 500 miles. When I say it still presents as fresh, it is very, very fresh. Big aluminum radiator, SPAL fan, Edelbrock, 4-barrel in intake, upgraded 1-wire alternator, HEI ignition. And look at this, just everywhere I look, there's attention to detail. So after the initial purchase of the truck, $65,000 was invested in the renovation. Diamondback Classic wide white wall tires with the 55 hubcaps, 15 inchers, just like you would find on the Bel Airs. But again, every nut, every bolt. That in just a minute underneath after the test drive. So typically I try to go and touch any paint flaws that I'm aware of, shortcomings. Honestly, I haven't found any yet, so says the salesman, right? No. Behind the seat here, you see speakers for the audio, fuel tank, antenna for the radio. I must have the key on. fire it up. Model Vortex 350, straight motor. Dual exhaust out the back. Painting is just absolutely beautiful. If I can remember how to do. There we go, radio. Turn it down and find a station. Probably should have had that set up beforehand. Air conditioning. Bluetooth audio. Alright, let's go for a ride. It's a manual steering, power disc brakes. Here we are at our main dealership. Old Glory flying high. It's my 21st year making videos like this for customers all over the world. Classic cars and trucks. Wipers, electric. Change the speedometer gear, but it's running about 20 miles per hour fast, so I guess in that case it doesn't have 400 miles, it probably has less if that's the gear that's been in it.